of the video series, I'm going to be showing you how to assess your room. We're going to look at the room, what the needs are for this space, what your needs are for everyday living, how to make it cozy, what's not working and what is. We're in a living room of a friend, and I just wanted to show you her living room and how we will be redesigning it today. She says that she has lots of visitors, so we'll try and make enough seating, and it's really intimate conversation areas. This family also has a few little people running around, including a 2-year-old that likes to get into things. So we really want to make it family friendly. They love movie nights. They love getting cozy on the couch and watching TV together. So we want to create that space for them too. So multifunctional space. This is our jumping off point because I felt like the turquoise was fantastic. It had lots of character. She's obviously painted it. Super good idea to reuse what you have, old things that tell a story, and I love the rustic artwork with their family name on it. Knowing your style is kind of important to keeping everything cohesive and working. So the style I want to incorporate is actually a modern shabby chic. Too shabby chic is too rustic, and I feel like she has a bit of a modern flair to her. So we'll be incorporating that modern shabby chic and see where this takes us.